Hey, what's up everybody? In this video we're going to find out how to trade on P2B Exchange step by step. Firstly, press Wallet Main Account. We can see plenty of tokens right here. To make a deposit on the platform, press the deposit button in front of your token. Check out the network that platform supports for your token. Do not send to the wrong network, otherwise your funds will get lost. And check the minimum amount for the deposit. Just copy address and paste into your wallet or the platform you're going to make a deposit from. Once your deposit is complete, it will reflect on your main account. There is some tokens on my main account, so I have to transfer to the trade account to start my trading. It will reflect instantly once you press submit button. Go to the trade account, it's right there. After all, we can go to the trade page to begin our trading on P2B Exchange. Let's buy some parked, use our USDT. Actually, we can use 50 or 75% from whole amount. Let's use 100% of our amount. Press buy parked button and after press confirm button. We already place our order. Once the other trader is redeemed, it will reflect on our trade account. Let's check it out. Yep, our parked is already there. If we want to withdraw our parked, we can transfer back to the main account. No any commission is required. Let's go to the main account. Our parked is already there. Press withdraw button. Don't forget to check out the network, withdrawal amount, and withdrawal address. Press submit button and confirm via your email. About how to trade on P2B Exchange, that's all guys. Thanks for watching us. If you want to see the other video tutorials, feel free to check